A simple application which you can use to stream. Here you have the API codes you can enter for this one. Here just upon that option and you just enter your information here and add your playlist and you're pretty much good to go. So same thing for this one here. You can use your M3 URL codes or links and pretty much enter it here, give it a name and tap on add a playlist here and you're pretty much good to go. So very easy application to use, nothing much, you don't have much ads as it relates to the application. All you have to do is just get the links, let's say for these or the codes for these and you're pretty much good to go. If you still do not know how to find the codes as it relates to these, then you may need to go on Google and pretty much search free M3 URL links which you can use and pretty much test those out if you don't have any links or anything like that. But very good application, works very well, and if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.